Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a healthy chicken sandwich. This is are the leftovers of the chicken that I did yesterday. So pretty much I had 2 extra pieces and I was like, you know what, let me do a sandwich today, but I'm gonna do like a healthy version. So I'm gonna be using lettuce, cucumber, tomato, and I'm gonna go ahead and grab an onion as well and American cheese, and also I'm gonna be putting bacon. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead, and the chicken has already oil on it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and grab this pan, throw it in here. I'm gonna go ahead and cut it half so I can have a bigger piece. Well, let's get started. Okay, so I already put the chicken in the pan. This is how your chicken's gonna look after you cut it half. It's gonna be a bigger piece. Either you can make 2 sandwiches or use this one for 1 sandwich. I'm going to use it for 1 sandwich. So I'll be making 2 sandwiches only. And this is how it looks. I'm just going to leave it there. I'm going to put the lid and let it cook for 25 minutes. Check and turn it around. Cook it for another 25 minutes, and then I'm gonna go ahead and check if it's already cooked. If not, I'm gonna leave it for another 30 minutes. So this is how your chicken's gonna look. Just make sure you turn it and check. If you guys don't see blood coming out, that means it's already ready. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave it for 30 more minutes. And make sure when you grab a lettuce, make sure you grab it big, because this is gonna pretty much be your bun, your bread for your burger. So pretty much you need you need it to be big. So this is how you guys gonna do it. So pretty much just let it there, so all the water, I have a napkin under, so all the water stays in there. So we're gonna use cucumber, tomato, onions, and I found an avocado, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in there. So American cheese and bacon. Okay guys, so in a different pan I'm gonna be cooking bacon, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start putting the chicken wrap together, which is gonna be like a chicken sandwich, but instead of the bun I'm using lettuce. And let's get started. Since I'm gonna do a healthy version of chicken sandwich, I'm just gonna be using mayo, and I'm gonna be using hot mustard, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it together and mix it so I can make a sauce. And that's it. Okay guys, so here you have your lettuce. So how you're gonna do it is pretty much put 2 sides up and 2 sides down. Since you're gonna go ahead and wrap it, you guys will make a mess. So pretty much like that. Then you're gonna put your cheese. I'm putting just 1 slice on this one, but you guys can put as many pieces you like. So then you're gonna grab your chicken, which is here. Make sure it's cooked all the way in. This one looks good to me. Put the piece right there. Then add your sauce, which is mayo and mustard. Add 2 slices of cucumber, or 3. I need 3. 2 slices of tomato, a whole ring of onion, bacon, and then let's put avocado as well. So we're gonna go ahead and slice an avocado here. Around. Okay. Make sure everything's in. Make sure everything's wrapped in there. So now what you guys gonna do, grab a napkin and do this. And grab it from here. Put the napkin here. Grab it. And put it all in and do this. There you have it. So